other truck that I had. This is a 390. Everything seemed to be fine. Drove it to the dump, and well, it barely started. The engine cranked so slow. I did not think it was going to start, so I knew that I had an issue. Come to find out, I knew there were some clearance issues with the starter. You can see right there. I mean, I had to grind some of that bolt down to get it to clear the header. Well, the heat, I had this pushed out of the way, but apparently the heat just caused this to bend back. You can see it actually made contact with the header there, so it was shorting out whenever I tried to start it. So this factory starter is not going to work, will not fit using the headers that I purchased from Summit Racing. They're the hooker headers. So this is what I come up with for a potential solution. One problem with working with gloves. Alright. This is a PowerMaster high torque mini starter. Let's pull this little guy out. Alright. Let's see, so this orientation, so about like that. You can see significant size difference here. So hopefully I can get this installed and it'll work with my fingers not freezing to death. And let me turn this camera off, and I will turn it back on when I've made some progress. So it requires a cable to be a jumper. You can see from this diagram from here to here, it sure would have been nice if the little jumper wire was included in this kit. There is not. Okay, so alright, so now I gotta dig up some wire and make that little connector right here. Alright. Here's the pigtail that I made to put on the starter. Wire it. Shut this off, get everything hooked up, and then I'll come back. Okay. So there's my pigtail connection. I had to drop this header to get the old starter off. It was a major pain, so I had to drop it down. So I think I can put all the bolts back in it, but leave it loose, and install the new starter. So I need to scrape all this old gasket material off, and on 2 bolts at the bottom in the front and 1 in the back. So you can see on these, here's another side. You've got these grooves the front and back. So you can put the 1 screw in the front and the back and just set the gasket in there. And then you can tighten it up when you get everything in there. The dark. Okay. You can see it's kind of lined up. The star's coming in contact with it right there. So I had to grind the block right there to make it fit. I hope you can see this. So be prepared to do a little bit of grinding when you get one of these PowerMaster starters. But as far as clearance wise, Looks like I have plenty of clearance and I won't have that. See that starter. Try to install it. See, a pretty good bit of clearance on the tractor starter. So, starter's on. Let's give it a shot. Sounds like a Chrysler with their gear reduction starters, but as long as it fixes my starter heat issue, I'm okay with that.